The Three Cows and the Lion's Trick, a ruthless story about unity, insecurity, and consequences. This is the story of three cows who were safe from every danger till one moment of weakness destroyed everything. At the edge of a deep jungle, three cows lived on a bright green pasture, one black, one white, and one brown. They were different in color, different in size, but their hearts were the same. They grazed together, rested together, and protected one another. Everyone in the forest knew one thing: when these three stood together, nothing could touch them. A starving lion had noticed this. Day after day, he watched from behind the rocks. He didn't just see cows, saw a problem he couldn't solve by strength. So he decided to solve it with strategy. One morning, the lion approached with a polite smile that fooled no one. Black and white cow. No, lions never walk with smiles. They walk with hunger. The black and white cows turned away, but the brown cow hesitated. She had always felt a bit different. Not as fast as the black cow, not as graceful as the white cow. Sometimes she wondered if her friends truly needed her. The lion saw this weakness instantly. "Brown cow," he said softly, "you don't belong with them. They never listen to you. They don't treat you equally. But I see you. I understand you." The brown cow didn't believe him, but his words touched the part of her heart that often felt ignored. Days passed, and the lion returned again. He pointed at the white cow grazing peacefully. "Look at her, always acting perfect, always leading. Don't you ever feel overshadowed?" The brown cow felt uncomfortable. "Sometimes, yes. That's because she thinks she's better." The lion whispered, "Let me remove her. Then you'll finally get the respect you deserve." The brown cow didn't say yes. She didn't say no. She stayed silent, and silence is sometimes all the permission a manipulator needs. The lion attacked. The white cow never stood a chance. The brown cow tried to forget what happened. She told herself she wasn't responsible. The lion did it, not her. But inside, guilt slowly began to grow. The lion returned again, even more gentle than before. "Brown cow, now look at the black one. Strong, confidential. Soon realize you let the white one die. She'll blame you. She'll turn against you." Fear replaced guilt. What should I do?" The brown cow whispered. "Let me protect you," the lion said. And once again silence from the brown cow became agreement. The lion struck. The black cow got attacked. Now only the brown cow was left. She tried convincing herself she was safe. "I listened to the lion. I trusted him. He won't hurt me. We're the same color, right?" But deep down, she already knew the truth. One morning, the lion returned, smiling this time, not whispering, not pretending. He stood tall, eyes burning with hunger. "Your turn, brown cow." The cow trembled. "But you said we were the same. You said you understood me." The lion said, "I understood your weakness, not your worth." Before she could speak another word, he attacked. The truth is simple. The brown cow didn't die because she was weak. She died because she stood alone. And she stood alone because she let jealousy, fear, and loneliness break the unity that once protected her. Unity doesn't mean you're the same. Unity means you stand together even when you're different. When friends stick together, problems stay small. When they break apart, even small problems destroy everything. A united family, united group of friends, a united class can face anything. But the moment ego or insecurity separates you, you lose the very strength that keeps you safe. Tell me one person in your life you will protect, stand by, and never betray.